Guys, I just found a way right now which you can make money, guys.
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Too late, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the...
Hey guys, what's going on? Your boy here, darling Flynn, and today back at it with another YouTube video. And this video wasn't quite planned. I'm having a headache right now, so I knew I was gonna make a video on that, but I feel that I haven't posted a video on the channel, so I really need to post a video. And right now it's late at night, guys. It's really late at night, and I just thought, even though I'm having a headache, I'm having a bad day, I'm having a bad night, you know what, people out there need this advice. So I am going to be making this video, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online using affiliate marketing. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. And though guys, please do me a big favor, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that when I upload, you are the first to be notified. So guys, welcome to my computer. And if you're asking yourself,
Darling influencer, why are we seeing your computer at this view?
the reason why you're seeing it at this view is that I'm currently recording from my phone camera because I haven't found a software which I can use in order to record my computer screen. Go down in the comment section if you know of any good screen recording apps which I can use on my computer. So this is the first time on my computer. Let's get into this, guys. So what you want to go and do is that you want to go and search digistore.com. As you can see, that is digistore.com. Going to search for that, and let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's more sales, less work. So this is a affiliate website. What you want to go ahead and do is that you're going to go and start now.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, there it is. So what you're going to head and want to do is that you're going to want to scroll down, and you can see username. Put your affiliate. Your username is going to be your affiliate link, by the way. So then you're going to enter your email and repeat that email, and enter your email. Yeah, repeat that email, password, repeat the password, and your name, everything that you need. And you don't have to enter your Skype name or Telegram ID. Then you just have to click these two boxes. And for this video, we're going to choose an affiliate. So we are going to be an affiliate, and once you have done all that, you can then go up here and log in. So after you've done this whole process and confirming your email, you can then log in. So let's log in. So after logging in, this is where the magic is going to happen, guys. So what you're going to go ahead and do, so this is how it's going to be when you start. So what you want to go ahead and do is that you want to go ahead and go to marketplace. Going to marketplace, as you can see, that we're going to go to all my offers on the affiliate marketplace. And those are all the offers which we have. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to here and we can choose any categories which you want to work with. So I'm just going to choose fitness and health. So as you can see, there are 32 results, and there are a few keto cookbooks. And as you can see, this one is one of my favorites because this keto cookbook is actually free. So this is a actually great way of going about it. So you can see that this keto cookbook is free. So the customers only have to pay for shipping, which is $8, and you get a commission of that. You get $4. So for every customer you get $4. So what are we going to want to do is that we're going to copy this. Yes, we have copied that, and we're going to use a tool which will help you eventually get more and more customers. So we're just going to go ahead and search Sniply, Snip LY. As you can see, that is Snip LY. We're going to enter that, and you can sign up for Sniply. And once it's already logged me in. Once you start, you're going to sign up right here. Then you can visit your dashboard. So this, for the purpose of this video, I made a new Sniply account and a new Digistore account. So these are the new accounts, so I don't normally use these. So what you want to go ahead and do now, we have successfully created a Sniply account. We're going to want to go ahead and open a new tab, and we're going to want to search, for example. So we are working with keto cookbook. So what we're going to want to do is search keto diet secrets, for example, keto the keto diet secrets. And these are the websites that pop up. What we're going to go ahead and do is search for one that looks really good. So for example, which one here can we work with? And let's see this one. We don't want one which will make the customer pay. We want a good looking page which we can work with. So yeah, this looks good. Yeah, this looks good, guys. So what we going to go want and do is that we're going to copy this URL, and we're going to go back to our Sniply dashboard, and where it says enter URL, you're going to want to tap on paste that same URL and create a snip. And the snip is going to tell us whether or not we can create a snip on this website. And as you can see right here, it has ticked that, which means we can. So you see this page we are seeing here is the same page which we copied the URL. So what we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to do this. So right here you're going to want to click on grab. So this is going to be a photo which you want to appear right here. This is going where the magic happens. So then you're going to want to write a message. This is my default message, so I can change that anytime. For example, we can write grab your keto cookbook. Get your keto, let's make it grab your free keto cookbook. Okay, let's optimize it and make it bold, make it capital letters. And as you can see, what we wrote there appears right here. And this you see here, click here, is this. So we can change that also and make it grab now. And as you can see, it's loading. So you can see there it is. It says grab now. And this you see here is you can go back to your tab, and this you copy it right here is your affiliate link. So you can copy that affiliate link and paste it right here. And once you have pasted it right there, all you got to do is create a snip. Sniply is going to do that for you, and it has successfully made a snip for you. And don't get me wrong, guys, this is not going to appear on the main page, so you are going to do all the hard work. But with what I'm going to show you right now, it's not going to be hard work. So it's not going to appear right here, but look at how cool this is. We're going to copy that and visit this link. So when we share that link is actually going to make us, as you can see, this is the page which we made which we wanted the snip to appear on, and we can just take that. And as you can see, there is our snip, get your free keto cookbook. So if I click on grab now, this is going to take them to a affiliates to the cookbook, which is free. So as you can see, this is the free keto cookbook. Then you can scroll down and scroll down, they can read it. And this is get your free physical copy of the session cookbook, ship me the book. And automatically when they click on ship me the book, all they have to do is pay for the shipping prices. So how do we get these people, guys? Like, how do we get these people? So what we're going to want to do is that let's just take that tab because we won't be needing it anymore. So we can use our Facebook, guys. So I can go ahead and go into my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook page. What we can go and do is that we can go and search on Facebook keto diet, keto diet for beginners. As you can see, keto diet for beginners. And what we're not going to want to open any of these. We're going to want to go to groups. This is groups, and all of these groups, guys, you want to join these groups, so because they are related to your niche. So I have joined these groups, but there are a few down there which I haven't joined. But I have joined these groups for the thing I've been doing. So as you can see, I can join this group and my request has been sent. How long have you been doing keto? I'm going to have to lie there. Less than 6 months. Okay, we're actually not lying because we haven't done keto. I agree to the group rules and can submit that. So then once they have agreed taken our application, what we can do is the following. Go to our notifications, and as you can see, we're going to look for a group which we have been approved of. So we're going to want to get into this one of these groups, and you see that we can post something. So what you're going to want to do, as Facebook guidelines, you are not allowed to post this. We're not allowed to post this. So we're going to want to go back to Facebook, and we have to write something. Go back to our Sniply. So you see this link, we're just going to want to copy that, and once you have copied that, we're going to come here and write something friendly. So we're going to write, hey guys, I just got a free keto cookbook. Grab yours now. Grab yours now and space and copy that. Paste our link, and this is how it's going to look. It's just loading. And this is how our link is going to look because of the page we have created. And this is 7 keto discoveries I'm thankful for, tricks for ketosis. So can post them, and so we have successfully posted there, and can just give it a nice like. And once we have done that, this is what is going to happen. Once they click on your link, this is what is going to happen. It's going to take them, and as you can see, automatically our snip appears down there, so they can click on grab now. It says grab your free keto cookbook, so they click on grab now, and once they actually get a keto cookbook, we can go back to our marketplace, to our affiliate dashboard, and it will automatically tell us that we have made a sale. So this is a new account. I just made it for this video's purposes, so it will tell us that we have made a sale, and yeah, then we can start making money. So all you got to do is, guys, make a Digistore account, get a Sniply account, and make a snip. And don't forget, I said, guys, the page which you are trying to do, the page which you are going to be using won't automatically have a snip. The page which will have a snip is the one which you get from this. So the original page won't have a snip, so you have to copy the snip, and you can share it on Facebook, or whichever platforms you prefer. But the one which most people are using is Facebook. So you can join Facebook groups, and not only in the keto cookbook niche. It can be any niche. Electronics, you can just join a Facebook group for electronics and can start making money. So that is how we can start making money. So guys, that is how you can start making online using the Digistore and affiliate marketing. Once those people grab their free cookbooks, you don't have to do anything. Digistore 24 will do all the hard work for you. All you got to do is get a PayPal account, and you can get that in this video. And now to the part we've all been waiting for, where I will be talking about the challenge. So guys, I won't be doing the challenge anymore. Why is that dollar influencer? Dollar influencer is not doing that challenge anymore. The reason being, guys, the challenge will require me to be on my phone and on my laptop every day, every single day. So I can't do that. I have schoolwork. Even though schools are closed, I do have schoolwork and I am dedicated to finishing with high school. So I do have schoolwork, and guys, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, and I don't know, I might just put that video on private or delete that video where I said I will be introducing the turning of $0 to $1,000. So I don't know how we're going to do that, but maybe in the future, yeah, okay, I might not delete it. Maybe in the future we'll go on with that challenge, but for now I'm just going to stick on with helping you with for example, this video we just did right now. I'm going to stick on with making videos of how to make money. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to share this video. Someone out there who needs this video. Only thing they need from you is that you share this video with them. So guys, I hope this helps you guys. This affiliate marketing, this is one of the websites which I have been looking for, and this is a really great way of making money, guys. So go down there, and this is passive income. Once you've started posting, did you see those groups, guys? They like one of the groups we have, which I have joined, have like 1 million members. So just imagine if you had only 10% of there, 10% of 1 million, and they got a free keto cookbook. 10%, how much is 10%, guys, of 1 million? That is 100,000 people. So 100,000 times $4. 100,000 times $4. How much does that give you? That gives you that gives you $400,000. $400,000. So guys, try and get this business going and make money online. Tell me how much you made in the comment section down below. The reason why I'm whispering, guys, is because people are sleeping out there. I told you that right now it's late at night, so this is the reason I am not shouting, and there is not that much of energy. I'm not shouting because people are sleeping, and I have a severe headache, guys. This headache is like, just pray for me, guys. And the lighting which I'm using is also bringing in that much of light, so I don't know what to do. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you guys make money. Dollar influencer. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm out.